Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Test. If a book is really successful of the public may buy it in very large numbers, full stop. Sometimes we see figures showing that several hundred thousand copies of a book have been bought, full stop. It is of interest to ask what does the public ask for in the books which it reads for player question mark. In this field, as with all other arts, there is the man or the woman who says, I do not know much about writing, but I do know what books I like to read, full stop. And if we may judge from the books which have been great success, full stop, paragraph, the rise in prices is governed by circumstances beyond our control, full stop. In all probability, there will be a drop in price when the supply is sufficient to meet the demand, full stop. A report covering the export and import trade is issued annually by the government through the Department of Commerce, full stop. Most of the large department stores advertise regularly in the daily newspaper, full stop. Whenever they hold a special sale, and particularly at Christmas, Easter, when people do more shopping than usual, the stores increase the size of their advertisements, full stop. It would be interesting to know whether the additional sales are sufficient to cover the expense of advertising, full stop. Evidently, it is sufficiently profitable for the stores continue their campaigns without interruption, full stop. Probably, the stores have a method of estimating fairly accurately whether they are getting full value from their advertising campaigns, full stop, paragraph. In a major operation, a team of the Lahore Electric Supply Company in Chunia, Tehsil of Kasur, caught 11 people stealing electricity from the transmission lines, full stop. The team disconnected all illegal power connections and gave applications to the police station for registration of the cases, full stop. Talking to Don, a representative of the motor company, said the event remained successful as a large number of people visited and purchased several vehicles, full stop. Under the slogan of Key to Key, this gala has appeared to be successful, keeping in view the skyrocketing prices of new vehicles due to dollar rates, low production and other related issues, full stop. He said sale of certified used cars is tough in Lahore and in general, but his company managed to arrange this event and provided certified vehicles to the people, full stop. To a question, he said the event was also aimed at showcasing only hatchbacks that are usually considered as fuel efficient with easy movement in crowded, congested areas, full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamna, working as PS in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorten and Commander College Shahra.